The DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact cameras to hit the market this year. Aimed at vloggers, travelers, and content creators, it promises major improvements across the board while keeping its ultra-portable form factor. Building on the success of the Osmo Pocket 3, known for its 1-inch sensor, top-tier stabilization, and rotating screen, the next generation is rumored to take things even further. We're talking about significant upgrades in processing power, video capabilities, and smart features. The sensor size is expected to remain the same, but with a powerful new internal processor under the hood. This should mean faster performance, better image quality, and impressive computational photography features like enhanced HDR and real-time color grading. One standout rumor is the jump to 10-bit color for both D-Log-M and HDR video, which would give creators much more flexibility in post-production and smoother tonal transitions. Add to that the possibility of shooting 4K at 120 frames per second, a big leap from the previous model, and it becomes clear this device is gunning for cinematic quality footage in a compact package. There are also whispers about increased video bit rates, meaning cleaner, more detailed footage with less compression. These updates are especially exciting for anyone creating fast-paced content or shooting in environments with a lot of fine detail. On the stabilization front, while the current 3-axis gimbal is already solid, DJI might refine it further by improving vertical stabilization, especially helpful when walking or filming on the move. Smarter algorithms and tweaks to gimbal responsiveness could also make pans, tilts, and tracking shots look smoother and more polished. Another potential leap forward is the inclusion of phase detection autofocus with eye tracking. This would be a game changer for solo creators who need the camera to lock onto their face while they're moving. Combined with smarter subject tracking powered by AI, framing and focus could become virtually automatic, even in dynamic shooting scenarios. Audio may also get a significant upgrade. The existing 3-mix setup performed well, but the next version could introduce better wind noise reduction, spatial audio, or even directional audio zoom to improve clarity during recording. The display, which was already a bright and rotatable 2-inch screen, might see minor improvements in brightness, touch responsiveness, and possibly even size, all useful for those filming outdoors in bright conditions. Design-wise, don't expect a total overhaul, but subtle ergonomic enhancements are likely. The compact form factor will probably remain, but features like a built-in tripod mount and some level of weather resistance could make the Pocket 4 more versatile for outdoor shooting. Battery life is another area where we could see gains. Thanks to a more efficient processor or a slightly larger battery, the new model might offer longer runtimes, especially during demanding tasks like 4,000 recording. Faster charging is also expected to remain, possibly even improved. Storage options should stay similar, supporting microSD cards up to 1 TB, with potential speed improvements and better in-camera file management. Accessories like magnetic ND filters, macro lenses, and wide-angle adapters could expand its creative flexibility without adding bulk. All in all, even if only some of these rumored upgrades come to life, the DJI Pocket 4 could easily become the go-to camera for content creators who need professional-level features in a pocket-sized package. With enhancements across color depth, frame rate, autofocus, stabilization, and audio, this device isn't just an upgrade, it could be a redefinition of what's possible in compact video production. While the final specs will be confirmed at launch, the expectations are sky-high, and with good reason.